Welcome to Best Choice. The Best Grow a Tree Kit is probably one of the most rewarding ways to connect with nature and bring a touch of green into your life, offering a unique opportunity to cultivate your very own tree from seedling to maturity, making it an ideal gift for aspiring gardeners or anyone looking to add a sustainable and beautiful element to their home or office space, providing a sense of accomplishment and a living legacy that grows with time. Number 5. Bonsai Tree Kit. Discover the captivating art of bonsai. This kit makes it easy for anyone to grow their own miniature trees, symbolizing balance and beauty. It's a rewarding hobby that brings life and elegance into your space. Each tree carries a symbolic message of balance, beauty, and life. They surprise, inspire, and delight with their unique charm. It's a thoughtful gift for any occasion, offering a touch of nature and art. These living sculptures are more than just plants. They are unique and captivating works of art. They add elegance and natural charm to any home or office, making any occasion memorable. Admired as symbols of harmony, growth, and inspiration, they are perfect for celebrating new beginnings. This kit offers a way to give a living sculpture that brings lasting beauty and meaning. Enjoy a living decoration that adds elegance with its unusual growth patterns and lush foliage. Made with sustainably sourced seeds and reusable materials, it's a beautiful and eco-friendly choice. The philosophy of bonsai reflects mindfulness and inner growth, providing a natural way to relieve stress. It's a perfect relaxation kit that brings a sense of peace and harmony to your life. Experience the wisdom and beauty of distant mountains and quiet gardens. Each rare variety offers a treasure of movement, rhythm, and harmony, providing endless moments of aesthetic appreciation. What we like. If you're looking for a unique and calming hobby, this kit is for you. It offers the chance to cultivate living art and enjoy the meditative process of bonsai care. Choose this if you appreciate symbolism and want to bring a sense of peace and balance to your space. What people say. The instructions were pretty simple and it absolutely worked if you have patience. Patience is key. The bamboo pots and water holder are perfect for the plants, heads up. It came with all the things you need. The instructions were easy to follow. Number 4. Homegrown Indoor Herb Garden Starter Kit. Looking for a thoughtful present? This kit has everything you need to start growing your own herbs, making it perfect for anyone, regardless of their gardening experience. Inside, you'll find 5 popular herb seed packs, soil, reusable pots, markers, nutrition, and a detailed guide. It's designed for easy success, even for beginners. Grow delicious Genovese basil, chives, cilantro, mountain mint, and Italian giant parsley right in your home. Elevate your cooking with fresh flavors in soups, salads, and more. Set up your garden anywhere, from your kitchen counter to a balcony. These durable pots and trays fit perfectly in small spaces, adding greenery and flavor to your life. This isn't just a grow kit, it's an experience from seed to harvest. Watch your herbs flourish and bring vibrant flavors to your favorite dishes, making it a fun project for everyone. We use high-quality, non-GMO, heirloom seeds harvested and tested for strong germination. Enjoy the taste of fresh herbs grown from the best seeds available. What we like. For the home cook or aspiring gardener, this kit provides everything needed to grow fresh herbs. It's perfect for adding vibrant flavors to your meals and enjoying the satisfaction of harvesting your own ingredients. If you love cooking and want to easily add fresh, aromatic herbs to your kitchen, this is an excellent choice. What people say. Very easy to set up. Still waiting for the plants to sprout. Just started them a couple of days ago and already have little sprouts. Excited to have some fresh herbs in the house. The kit actually comes with everything needed to start and grow your own herbs right at home. Comes with easy readable instructions. What more can you ask for? Number 3. National Geographic Crystal Growing Kit. Watch as beautiful crystals magically grow from the branches of your trees. You'll see the first crystals in minutes, and they'll be fully covered in just 6 hours. This is more than just a science kit, it's a craft project. Color each tree any way you like with the included watercolor pens and grow crystals in your chosen colors. After growing your crystals, examine the genuine geode specimen included in the kit. A learning guide packed with fascinating facts about crystals is also provided. This kit combines the science of crystal growing with the creativity of an art project. It's a great activity for both girls and boys. We are proud to offer high-quality, hands-on science toys. We ensure you have a stellar experience with our products. What we like. This kit is a fantastic blend of science and art, perfect for sparking curiosity in young minds. It offers a quick and visually stunning experiment that combines creativity with educational fun. If you're looking for an engaging STEM activity for kids that delivers rapid, colorful results, this is the one to get. What people say. This National Geographic crystal growing kit is easy to do and comes complete with everything you need to create 2 crystal trees. You get 2 trays stands 2 trees, 5 colored washable markers, and 1 bottle of crystal growing liquid. The instructions are straightforward so that an 8-year-old and up with supervision can easily create these crystal trees in about 30 minutes, and after 6 to 8 hours the crystal trees will be complete. We got this crystal growing tree kit for our 13-year-old, and it was such a fun experience. Watching the crystals form was really cool, and he enjoyed every step of the process. It's a great mix of science and creativity, and it kept him engaged the whole time. My 8-year-old really liked this project. Color the trees, pour in the solution. There were already small crystals within an hour, and we woke up to full crystal trees. Number 2. Ultimate Medicinal Herb Seeds Variety Pack. Unlock the power of nature with our extensive variety pack. You'll receive 36 types of heirloom, non-GMO medicinal herb seeds, perfect for cultivating your own wellness garden. Discover a wide range of beneficial plants like lavender, calendula, echinacea, peppermint, and chamomile. These are just a few of the healing herbs you can grow from this pack. Expand your collection with rare herbalist favorites such as white sage, marsh mallow, and hyssop. These unique varieties are ideal for creating your own tinctures and salves. Create your own herbal tea blends with seeds like wild bergamot, catnip, and fennel. This selection provides a fantastic foundation for a home apothecary. Whether you're an experienced herbalist or a beginner, this kit is designed for easy cultivation. Enjoy the satisfaction of growing your own natural remedies indoors or outdoors. These are heirloom, non-GMO seeds from a family-owned American business. We ensure quality and open pollination for your gardening success. What we like. If you are interested in natural remedies and creating your own wellness products, this extensive seed pack is ideal. It provides a wide variety of herbs for teas, tinctures, and salves, empowering you to cultivate your own apothecary. This is the best option for herbalists, homesteaders, or anyone wanting to explore the world of medicinal plants. What people say. This covers a great range of medicinal herbs. Perfect for new or avid gardeners alike. It's a natural medicine cabinet in your home garden. Planted the white yarrow and within a couple days they were sprouting strong, beautiful little sprouts. I love all the herbs. Some were so easy to grow while some new plants. I had to learn how to grow in my zone. I tried another few brands after and it did not grow as easy as these. I do not regret it. Number 1. Humboldts Secret Starter Kit Pack. Introducing the Humboldts Secret Starter Kit, your all-in-one solution for plant nutrition. This comprehensive system provides everything your plants need from the very beginning to the final harvest, ensuring healthy growth throughout their entire life cycle. Achieve robust and consistent plant development with our balanced liquid formula. It provides essential nutrients that strengthen roots and support plant structure, leading to faster and more stable growth. Our versatile nutrients are designed to work seamlessly with any growing method. Whether you're using hydroponics, soil, or coco coir, indoors or outdoors, this kit offers flexibility and reliable results for your specific setup. Simplify your indoor gardening with our easy-to-use plant food. It promotes healthy roots, vibrant colors, and strong leaves with minimal effort, perfect for houseplants, herbs, and flowers. This plant fertilizer seamlessly integrates into your routine, supporting your plants through both vegetative and flowering stages. It delivers consistent nutrition week after week, maintaining plant strength and balance. Please note that packaging may vary during our transition period. Rest assured, the formula and performance remain the same, providing you with the same high-quality nutrition. What we like. For those serious about optimizing plant growth, this comprehensive nutrient system offers a streamlined solution. It covers all essential stages from seedling to harvest, ensuring your plants receive balanced and effective feeding. If you're looking for a reliable, all-in-one fertilizer kit that works across various growing methods and simplifies plant care, this is a great investment. What people say. This helps me manage the large number of plants that I need to feed during the summer with a little less effort, so this works for me perfectly. I've already used it on one crop and had excellent results. Plant health and growth worked excellent, producing nice crops. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.